Hey traders, what's up? I hope that you will listen and watch very attentively what I'm about to do in this video, as by doing that you will learn a thing or two on this trade. And as usual, we must always start our analysis on higher time frames. The higher time frame shows that the market was initially on an uptrend. Now, on such scenarios such as this, there are only two factors to look for. First, trend continuation patterns. Secondly, trend reversal patterns, because actually you never know when the trend will be coming to an end or not. But looking at my charts very closely, I tend to notice that the price right now is on a very strong resistance level. Now, we all know what this means. It is at this level that the market is very likely to start selling. I have used the word very likely because that's not always the case, as the market may decide to break above this level in case the buying pressure is still very strong compared to selling pressures. So to know if you will have to sell or not, we have to look at the candlesticks, because that's where the real gold information will be found. Now, since I can't see a thing right now, let me zoom in a little bit. Now, looking closely at this impulsive leg around the resistance level, we again notice two things. First, we had a reversal candlestick already at the level, and this is why top-down analysis is very important, because this candle was not visible on 4-hour time frame and probably is not even visible on 30-minute time frame, but it is visible on 1-hour time frame. I hope you get my point that I'm trying to make right here. Secondly, the move had already played out, and what is happening right now is the market retesting to the legs previously lower high. All of this information were enough of a confidence for I to enter this trade, with my stop loss being slightly above the week's rejection.
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join my VVIP mentorship services or a paid signal page, please do click the link in the description for details. Now please take this time to click the like button, then hit that subscribe button without forgetting to turn the notification bell icon on. Thank you for watching, and bye.